Every Wednesday, we meet for a live stream called Talkin RV Tech. It's presented by rvtravel.com.
We not only answer technical questions, but we also share what we like to call cool tools. These are tools and gadgets that we actually use. We also believe they will be very helpful to you. Check out one of our latest shares. Each week we're going to feature, I do a seminar called Cool RV Tools and Gadgets, and I've got this big old tool bag full of stuff that I take out to each one of them. And so last week we did the magnetizer. This week I've got a new one, and this is called Kilowatt. And Kilowatt, you can get it at just about any home improvement store. I got this one at Walmart, actually, years ago. And what Kilowatt will do is you plug it in to an outlet somewhere in your RV, and it helps you tell how many watts your appliances are taking. It tells you how many amps it's going to draw. And the important thing with that is, when you're normally using your RV, you know that the air conditioner is going to draw about 14 amps, the refrigerator is going to draw 8, so you've got the basics of that. But if you're on a 30 amp circuit, well, what about your toaster? What about your coffee maker? What about your hot plate or your air fryer? Any of these appliances that you bring in, it's important to understand how much that takes. And the more of the appliances that have a heat coil, like a toaster, or, I've got here
a heater.
This is, those heaters, they draw a ton. Now this happens to be a heat gun. So this is going to kind of simulate what the ceramic heater would do. And those are really going to be pretty heavy. And the joke I run with this is a heat gun. I thought it was a hair dryer, and that's why I'm missing all this hair up there. But I'm going to plug this in, and I know you guys can't see it here, but I want to demonstrate the fact you just plug it into an outlet like we showed beforehand. I'm going to plug this in. So I see right now I got 121 volts coming through this. Now watch what happens when I turn this heat gun on. That's on the high side. Look how it dropped down to 109. So now I'm going to go on my amps. Look at that, 11 amps. So in my opinion, it's really important to, understand your energy management and what those things that you're plugging in, curling irons, and, this is on the far side, but it's not too much different than one of those little ceramic heaters. So again, that is our cool tools section. I like this graphic. I designed it myself, so I'm going to put it up again because I have the button. I like that. If you are interested in learning more about this cool tool, please see the YouTube description box for more information.
And more importantly, consider joining us live this coming Wednesday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for Talkin RV Tech.
You can join us on any of the YouTube or Facebook destinations linked below. We hope to see you there.